In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transition your website content and assets to Wix Studio from your existing Wix website seamlessly and efficiently. First, we're going to start by exporting all of your current Wix website content and assets manually, like text and images. This is a key step because you'll need these materials readily available as you begin to rebuild your site. To manually collect this information, you can access your site's editor, go through each section, and carefully copy all the text content into a document on your computer. For images, open each one and download them to your local storage. Having these resources saved in an organized manner will greatly assist you as we move forward. Once you have everything saved, it's time to recreate your website structure in Wix Studio. Take a moment to map out the layout of your current site. It's helpful to sketch out a basic structure or list the pages you have. Think of the hierarchy and navigation flow your visitors experience. Open Wix Studio and begin setting up this structure accordingly. Remember, this isn't just about copying, it's an opportunity to refine your site layout to improve user experience or streamline navigation. Now let's dive into using Wix Studio's enhanced design and development tools to rebuild and enhance each page of your site. Wix Studio offers a range of advanced tools that can really elevate your design. This is your chance to update any outdated elements and experiment with new features that could add value to your users. Whether it's better integrating multimedia, enhancing typography, or using modern design techniques, make full use of these tools to align your website with your vision. If your site includes databases or dynamic content, the next step is to migrate these using Wix Velo. Velo by Wix is a powerful tool for managing complex data-driven features on your website. It offers you the capabilities to set up and migrate databases efficiently. Ensure that all data fields are correctly set up and migrate your content carefully to avoid any data loss. Even if you haven't previously used Velo, take this opportunity to explore its powerful functionalities. With the new website structure and content in place, it's crucial to test the new site thoroughly before